everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, and today I wanted to talk about weight loss, what I'm doing, and something that I'm going to try. And I've never had to take any other route as far as, the natural way, just cutting down, exercising, things like that. But we all know that, for us over 40 gals, that once you start getting over your 40, well, into your 40s, things start slowing down. Metabolism, hormones are changing, perimenopausal, all of that comes into play. So, and I've always stayed between 125, 130. I'm 5'4", and for the last couple of years, I have been struggling. And yes, we do go out and eat mainly on the weekends. During the week, I cook. I'd say 4 to 5 days. And then, breakfast, I'm talking like breakfast, my lunch. I hardly go out to eat during the week or, anything like that. It's really just the weekends. But that has since caught up. I want to say within the last 2 years, I have packed on quite a bit. And I think it's going along with hormone changes. And, I recently had a hysterectomy. So a lot of things are changing. But it's been like quick. It's been quick. So and I would say for the most part, I'm not bothered by looks. I'm more concerned with if I don't start doing something about it now, it's going to really affect me in the next 5 years. I am 45, and when I start getting into menopause, I know that's going to be a major factor. I mean, things are already happening now, but also too, I'm above my BMI, and that is concerning because so far health wise, I don't have diabetes, blood pressure, high blood pressure, anything like that, and I don't want to start. So that's mainly the reason why I am kind of wanting to try something different. As far as exercise, I feel like I've been so out of the game on that I mean, just, going to the neighbor's house over here. There's a flight of stairs going up to the back door. And when I go over there, I'm dying halfway up. And to me, that's a clear indicator that I'm out of shape. So I guess what I want to do is kind of lose some weight and then get into the game of, whether it's doing my 10,000 steps around here on our property or, at work or whatever, just so I'll feel a little bit better because, obviously the more weight you have, it's more stress on your heart as well as other things. And yeah, so, we get the idea. So talk about is having, I guess, supplemental health or what I call a weight loss aid. And basically that's what it says on here. And it's Alli, and it's basically, and I've looked into it. I've done some research, and long term, we all know nothing long term is, a good thing. But I bought the starter kit. So it comes with 60 capsules, and it comes with a companion guide. So basically you go through here, it lets you know, if it's for you, how it works and what it does. And basically it's supposed to cut out 25 to 30% of the fat that you are consuming. So basically for, breakfast, you take one for breakfast. If it's, say it's, eggs and sausage. Well, the sausage is going to have quite a bit of fat. So from that, you take it with your meal. And that's what I like, that these aren't taken like 30 minutes or an hour or two before, where you can really get jittery with some things. So that's what I like. You take it with your meal. So like I was mentioning, if it's sausage, it's going to take whatever the fat intake is, 25% of that will not be absorbed into your body. So it flushes out with urination and the other. So, and it's not to substitute or, to say, okay, now I can eat whatever I want, because the negative on this is it's got to come out. It's got to come out of your body. And so one of the side effects is loose stools. And basically, when I was doing the research, it was talking about frequent defecation, I should say, loose stools and accidents. So basically, if you're eating very unhealthy and you're taking this, it's not going to be a good situation. So, it's an aid. So it's an aid to help you, cut down, absorb some of the fat and help you. So if you're eating healthy for the most part, there shouldn't be too much of an issue with those accidents it's talking about. And, it should help you along with you, eating a decent diet. And it talks about also in this little pamphlet, it gives you, your height, where you should be as far as your weight loss, and it's nothing extreme, and your BMI. And it tells you if you're normal, obese, overweight, that type of thing. And it just talks about, what we all know, getting active, eating healthy, and things like that. So again, I keep reiterating, it's only an aid. So the starter kit, let's see. Yeah, the starter kit comes with this little case, and let me open it up here. So basically that's how it works. So you can put some pills in here. So if you're at work and you're eating breakfast at work, it's basically a case on the go. And I really like that because it has help. And I should say it has help, but I started it yesterday. So I wanted to keep you along this journey and keep an update. I want to say probably in the second or third week, I want to post another video on, keeping you updated as far as, how I'm doing, so on and so forth. Being the second day and already having, so yesterday was three pills, today is 5 pills. I haven't had it for dinner. I haven't really felt anything as far as like sick to my stomach, any negative side effects. I do drink a lot of water, so I do urinate, have to go quite a bit. But, and that's also how you're eliminating that fat. So I can't really tell you if it's making me urinate more or not, if that's just my norm. But I can tell you, I was watching another video about it, and one of the ladies on there was talking about urination, frequent urination. So if she, didn't drink enough water, or let me rephrase that, didn't drink a lot of water, and so she could tell the difference, then again, that could be one of the side effects. But, it's all about eliminating that fat. So I just wanted to come on here real quick and let y'all know, that I'm starting this. And if anybody has any questions along the way before my next post about it, please ask me down below. I'll be more than happy to let you know. And hopefully this journey is a good one. I don't want to be on something, long term, because, again, anything long term isn't good. I just wanted to help boost, because yeah, I mean, the weight gain has been pretty significant, like I said, the last 2 years. So I just want to, nothing extreme overdone, 2 years ago, I was my pre pregnancy, and we're talking pre pregnancy 21 years ago. But 2 years ago, I was my pre pregnancy weight. And I feel like the only thing different within the past couple of years is eating more sweets. I just find it odd that the older I get, the harder it is for me to fight that sweet tooth. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it's quite annoying. So I don't buy sweets to keep in the house. If I'm on the go and I'm getting coffee, that's when I tend to want a sweet with my coffee, whether it's a muffin, a cake donut, those are my favorite. Things like that. But yeah, so like I said, I just wanted to pop on here real quick and let you know. And like I said, any questions, please let me know down below. And I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. So please let me know down below. And I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can get my notifications. But other than that, y'all have a fabulous weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.